Hi guys, welcome back here in our YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel for more helpful online tutorials. Good day everyone! So sa video na ito, ipapakita ko ang step-by-step process kung paano mag-tag ng SNED or SNED manifestation sa LIS. Kung first time mong mag-tag ng SNED sa LIS or gusto mong maiwasan ng errors pag-enroll, panoorin mo ang video na ito hanggang sa dulo. Okay, so simulan na po natin. Una, pumunta lang man tayo sa Google Chrome, then login lang natin yung LIS natin sa school. Ayan, so napunta na po tayo sa dashboard. Next natin gagawin is click lang natin yung list of classes. After dyan, pumili lang tayo ng list of classes or class section kung saan yung SNED. Ayan, grade 1 yung napili ko dyan. Clinic ko lang. Then after dyan, pumili lang tayo ng student, assuming na yung batang ito ang may SNED. Ayan. So pagka-click ko ng profile, dito po tayo mapupunta. Click lang natin yung update other data. Ayan po. Okay, so swipe lang natin yan pababa. Wait lang for a while. Ayan, swipe natin pababa. Ayan, so special educational needs. Click lang natin dyan yung needs. Yes, no? Does the learners have educational needs? Click lang natin yung yes. After dyan, click natin yung may arrow dyan sa gilid. Then, pumili lang tayo kung ano yung learners. Is it gifted? May visual impairment po ba? Or hearing impairment at iba pa. So, dito po is disability na na-contact na po natin yung ating DepEd specialist if meron ba talagang may ganito yung bata natin. May ganitong sakit yung bata natin. Ayan. So, if manifestation naman, with manifestation, so ito yung pipiliin natin. Difficulty in seeing, hearing, difficulty in applying knowledge. Ayan. So, difficulty, remembering, and concentrating. Pwede yan. So, yun yung pwede nating pilin. Basahin nyo lang po kung may problema ang bata natin na ganito. Now, since itong batang to may difficulty in remembering, so yan ang pinili ko. Then, after nyan, click ko lang yung save pagkatapos, no? Napili ko. Ayan. Pagka-save natin dyan, ayan. Learner profile update. So, na-update na po yung profile ng ating learner. Click lang natin ulit yung list of classes. Check natin if na-tag na ayan. So, as you can see, pag may blue na, naka-ano, dyan. So, meaning, natag na po siya sa LIS. And that's all for today, guys. Hopefully, you like our video for today. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful online tutorials. And God bless po sa ating lahat. Comment down below if may mga katanungan po tayo. And that's all for today. See you in my next video.